What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here and I'm currently at KLIA and I'm flying off in 1 hour time. Okay, so the date today is 3rd of November and I'm flying with OPPO Malaysia. It's an OPPO organized trip to Seville in Spain and then to France. Paris to be exact. The intention of this trip is basically just to use the new OPPO Find N3 and also the Find N3 Flip to take pictures there. Looking forward to the trip and I'll show you guys the whole thing, okay? Let's go! After a 24-hour journey, we finally arrived at Seville in Spain. So now there's this airport transfer that will bring us straight to the hotel. Can't wait to take a shower and check out the hotel. Okay, so we just got to the hotel. It's right in the middle of the city whereby we can see a lot of restaurants, bars and shops. I think this place will look very good at night. So the time now is 5:45 PM. We were kind of hungry, so we came out to grab some food before our dinner. So this is everyone for now. Umar, wow. Wow, look at all this food. Wow, 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 wow. Good morning guys. It's day 2 in Seville or Sevilla in Spain. Came down for breakfast. So the breakfast is actually inside the hotel. But I just wanna come out and get fresh air because apparently I'm not feeling perfectly well. Got a bit of flu and cough. But yeah, hope I can tahan the whole week. So this is where we are having breakfast. Okay guys, the time now is 12:30, day 2, after lunch, after gym, you know. So now we are actually walking towards this gelato shop, and while on the way, we are actually going to create some content using the OPPO Find N3 Flip, okay? Because you know it has a flip screen, so it's a lot easier if you want to take a picture of yourself by just propping it up like that, you know. So you can actually travel alone and still have photos of yourself traveling. So yeah, let's see what we can capture today. Okay guys, after having gelato, I actually stumbled upon this spot and it's sort of a spot that's in my wish list, you know. From Thailand. Do you prefer the N3 or the N3 Flip?
For me, this one is very cool. I love it.
The fold.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Okay, so I have Chase from Singapore. Which one do you prefer, the N3 or the N3 Flip?
This one, N3 Flip.
Okay, beside me is Aaron from Singapore. Which do you prefer, the N3 or the N3 Flip?
The Flip, of course.
Okay, I have Becca from Singapore. Which one do you prefer, the N3 Flip or the N3? The time now is 7 PM and we are actually walking towards the dinner location. Apparently the walk will take about 25 minutes, so we will actually utilize this journey to take some low light photos with the OPPO Find N3, of course. Okay, so I'm with Anya now. Just want to check with you.
Yes.
Which do you prefer, the N3 Flip or the N3?
The N3 Flip.
So I'm with Tyler now. Which N3 do you prefer, the flip or the non-flip?
I always choose anything with the biggest camera. So that, I mean, there you go. This is it, the folding one.
Good morning, guys. It's the third day here in Seville, or rather Sevilla, Spain. And the time now is 8:30 in the morning, and I'm heading down to the coffee house area for breakfast. And yeah, again, checking out the place outside the hotel for a while. Okay, so the first destination for today is called Donana National Park. We just arrived at this area whereby we will switch from this bus all the way to the little adventurous looking small bus behind me, and we will be entering like the national park in a bit. So after National Park, we are now at this cathedral, which is like supposed to be amazing. What I'm looking here is actually really amazing. So I'm gonna take some pictures now. Okay, the time now is 7:45 p.m. We just got back to the hotel, freshened up, and now we are walking to the dinner place. And apparently, the dinner tonight is quite special because we will be watching a flamenco dance performance while having dinner, because I'm actually very, very hungry and famished. What's up, guys? The time now is 9:30 in the morning, and we are checking out from the hotel here in Seville. Look, this is everyone. And now we are actually heading to this Alcatar or whatever tourist spot, and we will then head to the airport in the evening to fly to Paris. And yes, the next location is in Paris. Got our tickets to this place called Real Alcazar de Sevilla. It's not Alcatraz, Alcatraz something else, okay.
Alcaraz. Not Alcatraz.
Okay.
Alcaraz.
What's up, guys? So today is finally the day that we are leaving Seville or Sevilla, and we are at the airport now, about to fly to Paris, which is quite exciting. The flight might take 3 hours, I think. I'm not sure, but we're supposed to arrive there at 9:30 at night. Good morning, guys. First morning in Paris, and it's not going to be a lot of mornings because we are actually flying off tomorrow morning. So yeah, bonjour! And today we are actually going to this Paris photo fair or something. So I'll show you guys. It will be until like 4 p.m. and then we'll have our free time. So let's go. Okay, so lunch is done.
Lunch is done.
And we are heading to this Paris photo fair.
Yeah.
To check out some photos
Very exciting.
at the fair. Yeah, this will be our last activity for this
Yeah, kind of sad that we're leaving.
trip. Yeah, after this we will be having our happy time by doing our Ray-Ban shopping.
Just taking photos, Ray-Ban shopping. very
Ray-Ban
exciting.
shopping
Stay tuned for his video. It's gonna come out very
and
soon.
his videos. And tomorrow we'll be flying back to Malaysia.
Yeah. So,
Let's go.
very exciting.
Oh, I like this.
What's up guys, I'm in my hotel room now. Second day in Paris and also the last day in Europe, okay? The time now is about 10:45 in the morning and I just want to wrap up the video real quick with my review of the two devices that I've been using throughout this whole trip, all thanks to OPPO and OPPO Malaysia. So this is the OPPO Find N3, okay? And this is the OPPO Find N3 Flip. So since I've been using these two devices for my trip, this time around I realized that they are very good devices for its own category. Like for example, the OPPO Find N3 Flip is actually a very good flip phone that has a very good camera for its category because it's probably the only flip phone now that has a 5x zoom, okay? So during travel, the Flip is very useful because we are able to zoom into say buildings or landmarks or statues or whatever without losing much quality, okay? And because there's a cover screen on the outside which can now open a lot of apps in full size, okay? We almost don't have to open the Flip anymore if you want to say navigate using Google Maps, if you want to take a selfie using a gesture like that, right? And of course, like Umar in the video, you can also see he loves vlogging with the Flip because it's very small and we are able to record horizontal video like this, right? So it's very easy to hold. For me, I do prefer the OPPO Find N3, which is the bigger one. This is the Fold, okay, because it has a full screen 6.78 I think screen outside, which we can use as a normal phone. But what I like to do is I always love to open it to view my pictures. So for example, let me show you. Every time after I take a picture, I would open the screen just to see in a bigger form, a bigger scale, because you know, we love our own photos, right? If it's not for that purpose, throughout this whole trip, I have no use for the inside screen at all because I don't watch Netflix during this trip, right? Hence, the outside screen is already very capable for me to take pictures, take videos, and do my usual day-to-day stuff because I feel that using the outside screen to take pictures feels more comfortable because it is the right ratio, right? The usual interface. Hence, I prefer to take pictures using the outside screen. Camera quality wise, I am truly impressed, especially for portrait photos. Portrait photos, the separation of the background and the subject is very sharp, okay? Most of the time, I'm using the 6x zoom, which is very clear. Yeah, I feel that this is a very, very capable phone. It's also probably the only Android phone that I can trust and have faith in when it comes to having only one device with good camera when you go travel. If you are looking for a foldable or a flip phone, maybe you can also consider these two new devices from OPPO called the OPPO Find N3 and the N3 Flip. Okay, so it's about 11 AM now. I need to check out. We are going to the town to look for cafes with croissants because when you're in Paris, you need to eat croissants, right?